I'm Dr. S.K. Kapoor. I retired from Ballabgarh as an in charge of Ballabgarh project and part of the All Institute of Medical Sciences. The Ballabgarh mixture was,
How did you prepare
it was our brain wave. So actually what happened was, the thing goes back to like, when I was at Jalpur, they used to run a under 5 clinic at Ballabgarh. And once there were no senior resident pediatrics, so they used to send a vehicle for me to come and to run this clinic. We got that building, the Chhatri, what we call. Earlier it was being occupied by some persons. We had to fight and we got it somehow or the other. After a long time, we were able to get it vacated. So when we got that area, then I decided that we will not run a child welfare clinic. We will have an under 5 clinic, which will include everyone, healthy, unhealthy, children who need immunization, and nourished, malnourished. So then we shifted that to child welfare center, and we made it. Then we called it a child welfare center, and it was organized in that fashion. So at that time, Umaji was promoted as health educator. Earlier, she was working as extension educator, block extension educator. And then I made her in charge of the child welfare center. Again, this thing came up that what do we do with the children who are malnourished? Giving the mother health education was all right, but still, when you find that it was not working the way, so then we started thinking of, because by that time we had heard about nutrition rehabilitation center. Somewhere these things were in Africa, these were going on. David Morley's experiments, and so we also decided that let's do something. But the question of money. So then this thing came up that let's have donations. Our villages, like PSC Dialpur, is a rich village. Dialpur by itself is a rich village. Fatehpur Baloch is a very rich village. So let's go and talk to people if they. So they said that yes, we can give wheat and sometimes green gram, some moong ki dal. So we said whatever you can give. So we used to get those, then get them roasted and then grind. And earlier we used to get them ground also from the market only. We had to pay them. So it was a barter system. We used to give them some amount of wheat and they will do work for us. So again, it was not wheat only which will help. So we had to have, there were some sort of proteins, more proteins and these things. So Umaji and myself and others sat down and thought, what should we do? So I thought the moong we are getting, so it's a part of protein, this thing. What we can do is, if we don't have green gram, let's get Bengal gram. And let the shopkeeper take some amount of wheat and in exchange give us. So we used to do that. And then sometimes we used to get sesame seeds, till. तो उनको हम डाल देते थे. When sesame was not available, then we used to get groundnut. But we did not like groundnut because they start giving smell after some time. So what we did was that we told the mothers that groundnut you crush and add later on, not in the mixture. And then what we did, we started demonstrating the various recipes of this Ballabgarh mix. Making it, making a paratha, making a porridge, making barfi, and adding out certain things. And we told them that it's not only this, but you have to add things like milk or something you know, to make it more like not only protein rich but taste wise also the child will more tuned to this.
So sir, like how this idea of when the idea of mixture came, recipe, what proportion to add and all.
That was basically the proportion of all this thing. Well, basically, Uma Kapuria's this thing, but we sort of modified it time to time. Like when we wanted to add sesame seeds, then how much amount, and if groundnut, then what amount, and that we used to sit down and sort of discuss. But basically, recipe idea and all was hers.
And the implementation part.
The implementation was her only because she was in charge of the child welfare center. We used to sort of only look into the, children with malnutrition who need how much they need and all this thing. Otherwise, looking after was her problem.
मैं उमा कपूरिया, मैंने यहाँ से मेडिकल इंस्टीट्यूट से मैंने हेल्थ एजुकेटर के पोस्ट से रिटायरमेंट लिया है। जून में रिटायरमेंट हुए 30 साल हो जाएंगे। यहाँ मैंने एज हेल्थ एजुकेटर ज्वाइन करा था। उसके बाद मैंने एक पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा न्यूट्रिशन में करा, एक पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा हेल्थ एजुकेशन में करा। तो इन ऑल 3 हेल्थ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन डिप्लोमाज है मेरे पास। MA सोशियोलॉजी है। चूँकि मैंने शुरू से ही वुमेन वेलफेयर में काम करा, जब मैं यूपी में थी ना तब, तो मेरा बच्चों के साथ खास लगाव था। तो यहाँ पर मैंने बच्चों की OPD में काम करा। चूँकि मैं OPD में काम करती थी तो देखा मिरासमस बच्चे बहुत हैं और उसके अलावा जितने ज़्यादातर बच्चे कमज़ोर थे। तो पता करा कि क्यों, चूँकि विश्वास था कि कोई डिब्बे के ये खुआओ वो खिलाओ और गरीब आदमी कर नहीं सकता। तो मैंने उस पर ICMR की एक बुक है, फूड वैल्यूज़ ऑफ इंडियन फूड वैल्यूज़, तो मैंने वो ख़रीद के लाई और उसमें से वैल्यूज़ निकाल के मैंने एक मिक्सचर बनाया। लेकिन उस मिक्सचर के लिए पैसे नहीं थे। तो डॉक्टर बीर सिंह उस वक्त सीनियर रेजिडेंट थे, उन्होंने गांव से गेहूं इकट्ठा करा वो, और उस गेहूं को बेच के जो मटेरियल चाहिए था वो ख़रीदा। और उसके बाद डॉक्टर कपूर ने मुझे इतनी मदद करी कि मैं अपनी मर्ज़ी से सब कर सकती थी। तो वो गेहूं जो है उसको दे के मूंगफली, मूंग खरीदे और फिर उसका मिक्सचर बनाया। तो फिर एक भड़बूजा था यहाँ पर, उसने मुझे फ्री भूनने के लिए दिया और एक चक्की वाला फ्री पीस देता था।
अच्छा।
तो अब प्लास्टिक लाने की बात थी तो डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा अच्छा तुम प्लास्टिक खरीदो, कहीं ना कहीं भगवान जी करेगा इसका भी। तो प्लास्टिक भी हमने ले लिया। उसके बाद थैलियाँ बनाई तो मोमबत्ती से जोड़ते थे ख़राब हो जाता था। तो एक इलेक्ट्रीशियन आता था बच्चा लेके, उसने कहा मैं आंटी मैं आपको कुछ बना दे। तो उसने मुझे एक डंडा सा बना के दिया जिसमें कनेक्शन लगाओ और ऐसे करो तो जुड़ जाता था। तो ऐसे मैंने आधा किलो के पैकेट बना के दिए। बल्लभगढ़ मिक्सचर नंबर 1 जो है 6 पार्ट गेहूँ, 2 पार्ट मूंग, 2 पार्ट मूंगफली। तो उनको कहती थी कि बना हुआ है, तुम दूध में मिलाओ, पानी में मिलाओ, पानी में पकाओ, खिलाओ और कभी भी खिला सकते हो। फिर मैंने सोचा ये नहीं खिलाती हैं तो मैंने उसके लॉलीपॉप बनाए।
अच्छा।
उस मिक्सचर के लॉलीपॉप बनाए। तो मेरे पास जो बच्चे डेली वेजिस पे काम करते थे वो गांव से डंडियाँ ले आए और डंडियाँ काट के लॉलीपॉप बनाए। तो बच्चों ने वो लॉलीपॉप भी खाए। फिर सोचा कि और कुछ करना चाहिए, तो मिक्सचर नंबर 2 बनाया।
ठीक है।
तो उसमें क्वांटिटी थोड़ी बदल दी और वो लोगों को कहा अब तुम घर बनाओ। हमने जो बना के दिया, अच्छा इससे बच्चे आते थे मेरे पास 15 दिन बाद, तो मैं उनका वेट करती थी, देखती थी क्या हुआ। अब उस टाइम तो बच्चों को इतना सूज जाते थे, हार्नी स्किन हो जाता था, वो सब भी करना पड़ता था। तो जो तेरे घर सब्जी बनी है उसी में मिला ले, जो दाल बनी है उसी में मिला ले, बस ये ज़रूर खिलाना, 15 दिन में ख़त्म होना चाहिए।
पहले इसको भूनते थे फिर पीसते थे?
पहले भूनते थे, भूनना भी पूरी घंटा घर पे एक बार भुजा था। मानते थे लोग कहना, क्योंकि सेवा करती थी तो लोग कहना मानते थे। तो उसके यहाँ पहुँचा देती, भून देता था, मंगा लेती थी।
भून के फिर पीसते थे?
हाँ। फिर एक यादव चक्की वाला था, उसने बोला आंटी तू इतना काम करती है तो मैं पीस भी दूंगा, तो वो पूरी पीस देता था। तो इस तरह मिक्सचर शुरू हुआ।
तो उसमें चीनी गुड़ कुछ मिला के देते थे या
नहीं, हम कुछ नहीं मिलाते थे। तो वो मिक्सचर जो है ये लोगों को देती थी। मिक्सचर नंबर 2, फिर जब बच्चे तंदुरुस्त होने लग जाते थे, औरतों को समझ आ जाती थी कि ये ठीक है, तो फिर कहती थी अब मिक्सचर नंबर 2 बना लो, तुम 4 कटोरी डालो, 2 कटोरी डालो, 2 कटोरी डालो।
जब आपने बांटा गांव में,
हाँ।
तो लोगों का कैसा फीडबैक था?
मुझे फॉलो अप करना पड़ता था कि खाया कि नहीं, खिलाया कि नहीं, और गांव में बिना बताए चली जाती थी। तो कई दफ़ा तो औरतें हाथ में लेके खेत में काम कर रही हैं, हाथ में ले रखा है, बच्चे को भी खिला रही हैं, टुकड़ा बना दिया हाथ में लेके। तब मैं उनको कहती तेरे हाथ गंदे हैं, तो फिर क्या करूं? हाथ गंदे हैं तो फिर क्या करूं, काम तो करना है ना। तो मैं कहती थी अच्छा ठीक है, कुछ तो कर रहे हो।
तो टेस्ट पसंद आया, लोग खाते थे, कुछ रिएक्शन, साइड इफेक्ट?
कुछ नहीं, मैं विजिट कराती 4th ईयर स्टूडेंट्स को उनके घर की।
कितना वजन बढ़ा बच्चों का बल्लभ मिक्सचर खाने के?
बच्चों का वजन नार्मल से ऊपर आ जाता था, जब मतलब बटिया से ऊपर आ गया।
कितने पैकेट खाने पड़ते थे बटिया से ऊपर आने? 15 पैकेट?
15 तक मैं देती थी उनको, उसके बाद कहती थी मिक्सचर 2 बनाओ।
अच्छा नहीं, पर 15 तक मतलब 15 दिन?
15 दिन, 1 पैकेट 15 दिन। तो 15 पैकेट मैं चाहती थी कि ये खाएं। वो खा 7, 8, 10 खा के उनको समझ आ जाती थी, कहते अब हम 2 अपने बना लेंगे।
तो लोगों को पसंद आया ये? पसंद
आया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती थी। शुरू में 15-10 दिन मुश्किल होती थी, तो फॉलो अप करती थी।
कितना बना पाते थे एक टाइम पे? कितना बनाते थे? कितने किलो बनाते थे? 100 किलो? 50?
मैं 15 किलो के करीब बना लेती तो 30 बच्चे हो गए। तो कभी 30 नहीं आते थे, 26-24 ऐसे आते थे।
हर महीने फिर बना के स्टोर करके रख लेते थे?
हाँ।
और फिर ये कितने साल तक जारी रहा?
मुझे लगता है ये मैंने जब SR थे ना, बीर सिंह SR थे, उस साल शुरू करा था, और 94 मेरे ख्याल 93 तक।
अच्छा।
93 के बाद मेरी फैमिली में बहुत कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, तो मैं होती नहीं थी, तो फिर बंद हो गया वो।
कहाँ पे करते थे? केवल बल्लभ रानी की छतरी या दयालपुर छासा भी?
नहीं, वो दयालपुर छासा के लोग आते थे मेरे पास
उतनी दूर से।
मतलब उनको पता था फ्राइडे होगा आफ्टरनून, फ्राइडे आफ्टरनून होता था, तो उनको पता था, वो आते थे। क्योंकि फिर उनके यहाँ करो तो सारा सामान फिर जुटा है। गैस वो भी मैंने कहीं से मुझे दान में मिल गई। वो सिलेंडर बढ़ाने के लिए पैसे नहीं होते थे तो वो सारी मुसीबतें उनको भी करनी पड़ती ना, इसलिए वो लोग आते थे। एक दिन तो डॉक्टर लोबो, जेनिफर लोबो आई तो कह रही बड़ी अच्छी खुशबू बना रही है, क्या कर रही है? मैंने कहा नया कुछ कोशिश कर रही हूँ।
Experience initially was very rewarding in that sense, because those poor mothers who could not afford, they were so. Some people were middle income group. Their children also were malnourished. So they used to tell us, ask, how can we help? Can we give some money? So I decided no money. Told them that if you think that one of these things you can, we are getting wheat from there, so we don't need wheat. So either Bengal gram or green gram or sesame or whatever you can afford to give. So they used to bring it.
How much was the quantity given and what was the result?
We used to make a pack of 500 grams, and we used to give 500 grams packet to the mother.
For what age group?
It used to be one year to
Why not less than 1 year? 6 months to 1 year, why not?
well, 6 months. You see, the thing was most of the children at the 6 months of age were not so malnourished. They were breastfed and very few less than 1 year will come, with that sort of a problem. So that was and the other thing was the mothers were quite this thing with children who were able to sit and walk and this thing. They were able to bring them and all this thing. So that was probably the reason. But the other thing what we used to do was that not only demonstrate recipe, we used to make children sit down. All those children who used to come to that NRC clinic. And they were served. And they were all asked to eat. So children used to see each other and start eating. I'll tell you once. There was a manager in a factory. He had a 2 years or 2.5-year-old daughter. And somebody told him to bring the child to me, after, because I used to run the pediatrics OPD as such quite often. So he came asking and he came to me, and his wife was, and said, this is the problem. I examined, I found there was nothing very wrong with the child. The child was okay, undernourished. Not severely nourished, undernourished, but. So I told them that, look, we have our clinic on Friday afternoon. So bring the child. And the mother was not very happy. How can my child sit with those? I said, you will have to try. And father was able to convince her, and both of them came with the child. And when we made her sit down with those children, and you will be surprised that whatever you put in her plate, she finished everything, because the other children were eating. So the mother at least got convinced that her child can eat. Not that there was any problem with her this thing, but at home, probably because she is the only child, she is pampered, so she was probably not taking it. So she started bringing her. For 3-4 weeks she brought her. And when she found the child could, and that sort of a thing, she said, I will prepare similar type of thing. And so she started.
And how much was the weight gain among these children and how much time?
Minimum was 2 weeks to gain weight. And then I don't exactly remember, but between 100 to 300 grams, the weight gain was definitely there.
And how much was the acceptability? Any side effect or people like the taste?
There was no side effect because we told them to make different things and then add certain things which they like at home. Like if they don't like sugar, add gur or add shakar, whatever. Add milk and you can add something which the child likes. You can make halwa, you can make paratha, you can make barfi, whatever this thing. Like I took this to Stephens, my community head department of Stephens at Sonan Nagri. I took the same idea there. In the market there are multi-grain biscuits available, right? So there, we sat down and there was another girl there, young girl, who was very active. So I told her that for the children, let's make biscuits. Because the children like biscuits. So we made this mixture there, Ballabgarh mix, contacted the bakery there and asked him to bake. And he said, we will pay for it. And we made biscuits and we made packets of biscuits. Every packet had 20 biscuits. And we used to sell those biscuits. So much so that in the sensitive hospital, there was a Mahila Sahkari cooperative there. So we used to keep these biscuits there. And the hospital staff used to purchase it. And they used to say, this is cheaper and tastier than the one which we get in the market. So, I'm talking about taste-wise, so that's not a big problem.
So
The only thing is we didn't use soya, which I think could be used, but I personally feel it changes the taste.